Let's solve this question together. Calculate the mass of carbon dioxide produced when 1.5 gram of copper oxide reacts with 1.2 gram of carbon. Now the first thing we do is to write the balance equation of this reaction. So writing the balance equation here, we know that copper oxide reacts with carbon and carbon dioxide is produced, also copper is also produced. Now to balance this, we'll put 2 here balancing the oxygen, then also put 2 here to balance the copper. Then we can put their state symbol. Both of the reactants are solid, one of the products is a gas and one of the products is solid. Now back to the question. Calculate the mass of carbon dioxide produced when 1.5 gram of copper oxide reacts with 1.2 gram of carbon. So I'm going to relate carbon to carbon dioxide. So from the balance equation theoretical value, we know that 12 gram of carbon gives us 44 gram of carbon dioxide. So how did I get the 44? The atomic mass of carbon is 12. The one for oxygen is 16 times 2, which will be 32. So we have 44. So that's how I came about 44 gram. Now in the equation, we are given 1.2 gram. In the question, we are given 1.2 gram of carbon. So 1.2 gram will give us x. So x times 12 gram equals to 44 times 1.2. 44 gram times 1.2 gram. So to get our x, we make the x subject of a formula, multiply by 1.2 gram divided by 12 grams. So this gram cancel this gram, and we divide this by this, you get 0.1. So x is 44 multiplied by 0.1, which will give us 4.4 gram. So the mass of carbon dioxide produced in this reaction is 4.4 gram. Now this reaction is very important in the industry when we are carrying out extraction of copper. So in this reaction, copper oxide is reduced to copper because it has lost oxygen. I trust this video helped. Follow me for more content. Bye for now.